Hi everyone, I'm Terry. Welcome back to my channel. If you watched the first video of the Nutrisystem unboxing, then you're good to go and ready to watch the second video. So I will link below in the description box the video of the first video I did where I was unboxing the frozen food items. And so this video is going to show you what I picked out for my shelf-stable items, okay? And so this one was a smaller box because, like I said in the first video, I did not order as many shelf-stable as I did the frozen items, okay? And I got 3 free meals because I found a coupon code that I think it's called I think the coupon code was 3 free meals, but I will link that below in the description box as well, okay? And there is a link below if you want to try out Nutrisystem. I will put a link below that I ask you to click through, if you don't mind, to take you over to the Nutrisystem site. And then if you make an order, you will get $30 off of your plan, and I will get $30 credit. So anyway, feel free to check that out if you want. And so here is the video clip and just like the first video, I will insert a couple of pictures of the box that I took the picture before I opened it, okay? And then I will get right into the video clip and I'll show you these shelf-stable items that I received. Okay, so I just took all the non-frozen items out of the box that I got in the second shipment. And so, as you can see, I didn't order as many items that were not frozen because I had heard that the frozen food tasted better. And so I ordered more of those items. But this is the shelf-stable items that I had picked out and received for my first month's shipment. And so let's just go over what I ordered. Okay, so for the breakfasts are color-coded yellow, okay? The lunches are blue, the snacks are purple, and the dinners are red, okay? So we got this startup guide that was included in your kit. Whoop. Dropped it. Okay, so I got that. I also was included in my kit was this shake. It's like a protein shake that they want you to use the first week on the program, and you drink 1 of these per day. So there's 7 shakes in here, and I chose the chocolate because chocolate's my favorite. Okay, and then so now let's go over the meals. The yellow that I ordered that was non-frozen, I ordered 2 of these apple walnut oatmeals, and it does say you can either add water or fat-free milk with it. Okay, you just microwave it. Ordered 2 of those. I ordered 2 of these granola cereals. I was thinking that this would be good, not the first week, but well, you could use it as cereal, and I think you get to add like a half a cup of fat-free milk with it. But I'm thinking that I will save this to my second week where I can add a few items to my meals, and I think this would be really good over stirred into yogurt. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that. Okay, but I did order 2 of these granola cereals. Okay, I ordered a few of the muffins. I ordered 1 blueberry muffin. I ordered 2 of the cinnamon streusel muffins because they looked good in the picture online. Just by looking at them through the package, it looks like they're a little bit small. So I'm thinking starting the second week, I think for breakfast you get to add like a protein, like you get to add an egg along with your breakfast, or like one power fuel they call them, which is a protein, or it could be either like a meat item or a dairy item is under the power fuels. And so I thought this would be good to eat along with something you add to it, either maybe some milk or I'm not sure. But since it's a small size, I think I'll probably save that for when I can add something else to the meal. I got, like I said, 2 of the cinnamon streusel muffins. I also ordered 1 of the double chocolate muffins, okay? And I did go ahead and order 1 bar. It's a little bit small too, so then I will wait until I can add something to it. So this is the cinnamon bun bar. Okay, and let's see, that's all of my breakfast items that I ordered that was non-frozen. Okay, the lunch items I ordered, let's see, I ordered three, sorry. I ordered 3 of these mac and cheese white cheddar. Yeah, because I like mac and cheese. And so I ordered 3 of those. And then I ordered 1 of this is a 3 cheese chicken. Looks like it's chicken with some noodles and maybe some bacon or something. Yeah, curly pasta in a cheesy sauce with chicken, broccoli, and tomato. Oh, that's sun-dried tomatoes, I guess, because it says tomato. Anyway, I thought that looked good. This is home-style chicken, so I'm thinking it's kind of like a soup. Noodles, white chicken meat, vegetables in a thick chicken broth. So it'd be like a soup or stew or something. Okay, so that is the lunches that I ordered that was non-frozen. The only dinner that I ordered that was non-frozen was just this one right here, and it is the ravioli with meat sauce. So I'm thinking that may be like a Chef Boyardee type thing. I'm not sure, but I thought I would try it. It's heavy, so that's good. Okay, so the rest of these non-frozen items that I ordered is all this in the purple here. Okay, so these are the snacks. I ordered 1 of the honey mustard pretzels. I heard that those were good, but I only ordered 1 because I thought that the serving size might be kind of small, so I thought I would just stick with 1 of those. Okay, I love Cheetos, and so I ordered 3 of these cheese puffs. Okay. Sorry for the crinkling. Let me straighten out the bag. You can see it better. See? Okay, so I ordered 3 of the cheese puffs. I ordered just 1 of this dark chocolatey sea salt nut square. I thought that sounded good. Here you can see on the edge there's a picture of it. I think it'll be good. I like dark chocolate. Okay, and then I ordered a few bars as snacks. Chewy peanut bar. 1 of those. Oh, here's another one of the sea salt nut square, the dark chocolate, so that goes with that one. And then I ordered 3 of these sweet and salty nut bars. I'm thinking maybe like a payday or something, maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, so that is all the non-frozen items that I ordered. But then I also found a coupon code. I always search for coupon codes when I'm going to order online. And so I found a few. I found one that said if you put in the coupon code free shaker, you would get a free shaker or blender bottle for the shakes. And so I did that, and here it is. It looks like a nice sturdy plastic container, and it's got that little ball on the inside that helps to mix up your shake. Okay, and then also now there was a code that said three free meals. I believe that was the name of it, and so I put that code in. And so these, I didn't choose these. It's just these were just included in my order as free because of the coupon code. So this one I did not pick, but I'm definitely gonna try it out. It's called bean bolognese. Okay, looks like it's beans and pasta. So the bean, I guess, is like the protein source. Beans and pasta. Egg noodles, beans and vegetables, and a hearty tomato sauce is what it says. Okay, so that one was one of the free meals. This one was also one of the free meals, which is another one of the white cheddar mac and cheeses. Okay, and then I also got one of these as a free meal. It was a Nutri cereal. So it's kind of like bran flakes. Yeah, it's whole wheat and whole bran cereal. So it's like bran flakes, okay? Like Raisin Bran without the raisins. And so that may be another one that I wait and use when I can have yogurt, which would be after the first week. And then I can stir that into the yogurt. Okay. So that is what I received in my non-frozen shipment box. And I was thinking that there was another startup guide that would come with it, but this is the only startup guide that I got. But I do know that there is an app that you register with when you get started on your plan called Numi, N-U-M-I. It's an app that you can download either from Google or Apple Store. And so I think there's much more information on that once I get registered with it. I have not registered. I've downloaded it on my phone, but I haven't put all my information in there yet because I'm waiting for my weigh-in day, my first day when I'm starting, so I can get my starting weight. And so I'm sure there's much more information on the Numi app. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I just wanted to come on here and show you what I got in my box. That is the non-frozen items. And so now I'm going to take all these and get them arranged in my pantry to get ready for my first day on Nutrisystem. So stay tuned, folks, and we'll see how all this works. Okay, talk to you later, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.